God, dog, son. Welcome to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. I'm really thankful today. My brother's gonna let me drive his car. And yeah, y'all can see what it can do right there, but he's gonna let me take it on the road. So we're gonna hop in it right quick. We'll see y'all when we get on the road. Yeah. I'd say he was on the skinny pedal pretty daggone good. That's a heck of a freaking rolling burnout right there. That was nasty. He can't you see in the car too much smoke. That's crazy. Look at this thing. Hey, bro. You been smoking, bro? Yeah, we got a lot of smoke in here. Woo. It's kind of a day I've also been waiting on for a while. My brother's finally gonna let me drive his car. About a 500 wheel horsepower, 71 turbo 4.8 LS. It's nasty. It's you see it right there. Yeah, we're gonna get on the road, take it for a drive, make some boost. Let's hop on the road. My brother's going full with his tune while I drive it around. It's gonna be wicked. You know what the first year of the Impala was?
58?
58, but the actual Super Sport didn't start till 61. And it's technically the first muscle car ever. I didn't know that. I thought it was pretty cool. And this thing's a freaking lane, y'all. It's the turbo noise. It's crazy. We'll see what this thing's got right quick. Roll into some boost. So yeah, it's a 4.8 with a billet 7875 from Rehan or VS Racing. It's basically a Don't BS Me clone. I don't know if y'all follow Matt Happel or Sloppy Mechanics, but it's basically the same motor that he had in his previous build. And yeah, it's in about a 4,000 pound lanyard, and it's still freaking just bananas. I'm so excited, ready to get my 6.0 80mm turbo in my 3,500 pound G-body. I can't imagine what it's gonna be like. Just listen to this thing. Just satisfying. So it's like a B-body, or what I call it a dome. You know, that's what it is. Big 71 Impala. It's bananas. It's got a Hellcat pump, intake. It's just listen. Ridiculous, man. I don't see how you can drive a car like this and it not put a smile on your face. Like my brothers let me drive around his hot rod, like, and beat on it. I mean, I'm gonna let people drive mine, but only a select few people. So we're gonna roll into it one more time. Imagine letting out of it. Look at that, man. I'm gonna get out of the driver's seat and let my brother take over, get y'all some rollers so y'all can check it out, fly by what it looks like. And yeah, that'll pretty much be it. Well, that's the last of the test drive on this car. I just want to thank my brother for letting me drive it around. It's actually my first turbo car, and it's absolutely insane. Well, the Turbo LS car did have a Grand National, but y'all know the message. If you ain't on the brake, better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.